Thursday, 8 November 2018. Mathematics Paper 2, Higher Tier. Answer all questions. You must show all your working. Total mark for this paper is 80. Question number 1. Even numbers between 1 and 25. A is set for A2, 8, 10, 14, B, 6, 8, 20, and C, 8, 18, 20, 22. Complete the Venn diagram for this information. So we're going to be using even numbers. So we got here a table showing the even numbers from 1 to 100. The even numbers are the one in blue. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So those are the even numbers between 0 and 25, or between 1 and 25. And we'll need that for that question. So which numbers are found in A, B, and C? The number which is found in A, B, and C is 8. So 8 goes in the middle because 8 is found in A, in B, and in C. And 6 is found only in B, so it goes there. 20 is found in B and C, so 20 goes there. And 2, 4, and 10 is found only in A. 18 and 22 is found only in C. And the rest of the numbers, they go outside, the ones which are not found in A or B or C. So that's the completed Venn diagram. A number is chosen at random from the set of all elements of the numbers. Find the probability that the number is a member of A intersection B. A intersection B is the number which is between A and B. So it's a member of A intersection B. So between A and B, there's only one number, and that's that 8. But altogether, there are 12 numbers. So you can use this probability formula. Probability is the number of times specific events occur. How many numbers are there is 1. Overall event count, total number is 12. Question number 2. Sean has information about height in centimeters, weight in kilogram of each of 10 rugby players. He is asked to draw a scatter graph and a line of best fit for this information. Here is his answer. Weight in y-axis, height in x-axis. Sean has plotted the points accurately. Write down 2 things that are wrong with his answer. First, number 1, line of best fit does not suit all points. So the line of best fit does not pass. Some of too many points are below, far below. So the line of best fit is not actually in the middle of all those points. And point number 2, the line of best fit touches the x-axis. So that is wrong. And or you can say the line of best fit goes through the origin. The origin there, 0, 0. It is wrong. 150 is missing. It goes 140, 160, 170. If you see, the difference is 10, 10, 10, 10. So 150 is missing. Or you can say the height is not linear. If I zoom in so you can see the scale there. So between 140 and 160, the difference is 20. But between 160 and 170, the difference is 10. So the difference is not the same. So it is not linear. So that's the answer you can put for question number 2. Question number 3. BEG is a triangle. ABC and DEF are parallel lines. Work out the size of angle X. Give a reason for each stage of your working. I've colored angle X in yellow. I've put the two parallel lines in pink. The two parallel lines. Now, the ideas we're going to do, we're going to use, if you imagine the letter Z like that, or you can write it this way. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. So these two lines are parallel. So this angle and this angle are the same. This angle DEB and EBC are the same. So this is 110. To get this 75, 110 take away 35 will give you that 75. Now, this is a straight line, DEF. So this angle on this straight line is 180. So 180 take away 110, take away 25 will give you 45. And for this triangle, 180 take away 45, take away 75 will give you X, the angle in yellow which we are looking for. So this is how you will write out your answer. Angle BEG is 180 minus 110 minus 25 is 75 degrees. And the specific reason is angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. EBG is 110 minus 35 is equal to 75. And the reason is alternate angles are equal. DEB is equals to EBC. And the last one, 180 minus 75 minus 45 is 60. And the reason is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So your answer is 60 degrees. I've got here three other reasons which you can use to answer that same question. Question number 4. Northern Bank has two types of account. Both accounts pay compound interest. Cash savings account interest 2.5% per annum. Shares account interest 3.5% per annum. Ali invests £2,000 in the cash savings account. Ben invests £1,600 in the shares account. Work out who will get the most interest by the end of 3 years. You must show all your working. So the aim is to find out the interest at the end of 3 years. We're going to use this formula at the top there, which I've written. To get the new value is the original value times multiplier to the power n. And how do we get the multiplier? We add 100 and divide by 100. That's two things you do to get multiplier. Add 100 and then divide by 100. So let's work it out for Ali. £2,000 times the multiplier to the power 3. How did we get the multiplier 1.025? It's 2.5%. So we do 2.5 plus 100 divided by 100. That gives us 1.025. That's the multiplier. We put to the power 3 because it's for 3 years. And you work that out, that gives you 2,153.78. Now the interest is the new value minus the investment minus 2,000. Interest is the new value minus the principal, the investment capital. So 2,153.78 minus 2,000, it gives you £153.78. That's the interest what Ali got. Let's do the interest for Ben. Ben invests 1,600 and the multiplier is 1.035. How did we get the multiplier? We add 100 and after that we divide by 100. And it's also for 3 years. So we do that for Ben, we'll get 1773.9486. The interest would be that amount minus the capital. which was 1600. That gives you 173.95. So which one gives the most interest? Ben gets the most interest. In the third year, the rate of interest for the shares account is changed to 4% per annum. Does this affect who will get the most interest by the end of 3 years? Give a reason for your answer. Let's work the new value for Ben now. The first 2 years, is 3.5%. So it's 1,600 times 1.035 squared, because it's for the first 2 years. That gives us 1,713.96. By the third year, they've changed it to 4%. So we use that amount from the second year, times it with the new multiplier. To get this multiplier, we add 100 and we divide by 100. So it's the amount from second year times the new multiplier to the power 1, because it's just for 1 year. That gives us 1,782.5184. The interest would be that amount minus 1,600. So it gives you 182.52 pounds 52. That's the interest. So does this affect who will get the most interest? No, because Ben still Ben, because 182 pounds 50 is still bigger than what Ali gets. So Ben already gets more interest. He will just even get more because the value will increase. So that's the complete answer for question 4. Question number 5. The diagram shows a floor in the shape of a trapezium. John is going to paint the floor. Each 5-liter tin of paint costs £16.99. 1 liter of paint covers an area of 2 meters squared. John has £160 to spend on paint. Has John got enough money to buy all the paint he needs? You must show how you get your answer. We're going to be using this formula to find the area of a trapezium. The area is half sum of the parallel sides A plus B times the height between them. Sum of the parallel sides A plus B times the height between them. So we're going to be using that formula to find the area. So area of trapezium is half times the height is 7, and the parallel sides is 10 plus 16. 10 plus 16, it gives you 91. That's the area of the trapezium. Now we know that 1 liter of paint covers 2 meters squared. So we divide by 2. Or 1 liter covers 2 meters squared. So we want to divide by 2 to get our number of liters. So 91 divided by 2 is 45.5 liters. So we need 45.5 liters. Now, how many tins do we buy? We know that 5-liter tin of paint costs £16.99. So we will do 45.5 divided by 5. That will give us 9.1. So we need 9.1 5-liter tins, but we cannot buy 0.1 of a tin. So we will have to buy a full tin and just use 0.1 in it. So that means we'll have to buy 10 tins. 10 5-liter tins. And how much would 10 5-liter tins cost? 1 5-liter tin costs £16.99. 10 5-liter tin will cost 10 times £16.99. It gives us £169.90. If we compare £169.90 with £160, £160.90 is bigger. So has John got enough money to buy all the paint he needs? That's the question we want to answer. So we'll conclude John hasn't got enough. Question number 6. A is the point with coordinates 5, 9. B is a point with coordinate D 15. The gradient of the line AB is 3. Work out the value of G. We got two formulae that we're going to use here. The first one is this one for the gradient of a line. M stands for the gradient. Y2 is Y2, X2, Y1, X1 are the coordinates. And we're going to use cross multiplication, where we use A over B is equals to C over D. That means A times D is equals to B times C. So to do this question, A is 5, 9, B is D 15. First, we want to identify which one is X1. So X1 is 5 and Y1 is 9. X2 is D and Y2 is 5. All we do now is substitute into the formula. And that's the formula there. And M is 3. Is given in the question. The gradient is 3. So we have Y2, which is 15, minus Y1, which is 9, divided by X2, which is D, minus X1, which is 5. 15 take away 9 is 6. So we can cross multiply 3 times D minus 5 is equals to 1 times 6, which is 6. So it's times 3. If we take it to the right side, it becomes divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So D minus 5 is 2. It's minus 5. You take it to the right, it becomes plus 5. So D is equals to 2 plus 5 is 7. So D is 7.